Okay, Gary, so do you agree or disagree with the following experiment? Or my version with heavier carts, 4 kilograms each. And what do you know? It stopped dead on. Stopped dead on. And now that's stopped dead on. So it was an elastic collision. It was doing exactly what I think that you would have predicted it would do. I think you would have agreed with it. I don't think you have any argument with that particular experiment, do you? Well, what if I reduce the mass of the incoming cart from 4 kilograms to 3.9 kilograms, say? What do you think will happen then? Pretty much the same thing? Here we go. Yeah, I don't think you would be surprised that it does pretty much the same thing. It just tries to bounce back a little tiny bit, but it's hard to measure. Here we go. Okay, so let's make it a little bit smaller again. Let's try 3.8 kilograms. 3.7. 3, 2, 1. 3.6. 3.5. 3, 2, 1. You've probably noticed by now that the lighter cart has started to rebound off the heavier one, but only a little bit. If you can see the pink arrows, those indicate the distance that the light cart rebounds back in the same space of time that the 4 kilogram cart has moved 200 millimeters. But the point I'm trying to get across is that there's nothing physically wrong with the experiment, is there? You might want to argue that I've not yet showed you me weighing them. I can show you that later. But there's nothing wrong with the experiment, is there? And obviously in that first example, the 4 kilograms should have transferred 100% of its speed to the second 4 kilograms. But it only transferred 97% of it. But I'm sure even you can live with a 3% error. Walter Lewin accepted a 2.5% error, so I'm sure even you can accept a 3% error from me, not Walter Lewin. Well, supposing we carry on reducing the mass, let's jump to, say, 3 kilograms. Still only rebounding a tiny bit more, so let's try 2.5 kilograms. Go. The changes are becoming more and more obvious, aren't they? So let's go to 2 kilograms now. Well, you can now see that we've transitioned to the exact same experiment that Walter Lewin did on an air track. We're getting 65%, should have been 66.6% by rights, but as you saw at the start, we had a slight error because of imperfections in the experiment. But we have substantially reproduced effectively Walter Lewin's experiment.